ones that held you back, oh. Say, what do you say to the ones that held you down, no? Say, what do you say when they reach out and ask you to play? How do you say that you aren't here for games? Lifestyle ain't for you, been running miles in the same shoes. Got to make it on my own, cause I'm independent. I'm reflecting on my presence. You ain't stepped up to take it, so now I'm here skating. I want it all, I want it all. I'm so blessed I can't fall. They call me queen cause I've evolved from the bitches in the trenches. Say, what do you say to the ones that held you back, oh? Say, what do you say to the ones that held you down, no? Say, what do you say when they reach out and ask you to play? What's your name? What's your name? I think you caught me in distress, cause I don't remember. I ain't studied for this test. Why you pop up unexpected when I told you don't come flexing? So I hope you get the message. Say, what do you say to the ones that held you back, oh? Say, what do you say to the ones that held you down, no? Say, what do you say when they reach out and ask you to play? What you gonna say when the queen come out to play? What you gonna say when I make more money than yesterday? What you gonna say? How you gonna play? How can you tell me you don't love it, but when I turn around you're steady tryna fuck me? Can't deal with my attitude, then you won't get none of me. No one said you got the cup, but don't think you'll come for me. If I always say yes, then I don't wanna hear it. If I'm quick to undress, don't complain, I run this. You're only here for one thing, don't get confused. Just fucking, don't cross the line, this is nothing. I'm the queen, I do my thing. Making money, pull up to the scene. How you see me, that's nothing, I could care less if we just fucking. Got these sidelines falling at the place, they showing love, get out my face, this ain't love. Shit is nothing, I don't wanna be the one to break it to ya, but we just fucking, oh, we just fucking, oh. This is nothing, why you tripping? When my phone go off like children, it be ringing but not for you. Stay out my business, you not my boo. Don't need a man, I really want to. Please understand, a player need love, but not like that, I'm a man, you gotta stand back. This is no strings attached, can stay on her grind, so I ain't letting niggas come waste my time. Need a rollie on my wrist to start off right. Money, money, money is on my mind. Fuck these niggas, y'all wasting my time.
Money, money, money is on my mind. Fuck these niggas, y'all wasting my time.
I'm the queen, I do my thing. Making money, pull up to the scene. How you see me, it's nothing, I could care less if we just fucking know.
OG set production.
She wanna spend the night, tryna hop up in my ride. I ain't got no time, I'ma leave you to the side. How you think you running game, but I don't know your name. How you say you know my plan, but ain't study what I'm saying. I gotta get you back before they come here with the straps. I ain't playing, I said I never had that. I came up blessed, living great, no distress, this is my fate. She wanna spend the night, tryna hop up in my ride. I ain't got no time, I'ma leave you to the side. I'm playing games you might not like. Not the one to carry it, but I can make you cry. Yeah, I can make you cry. Singing all these songs, you wanna be with me tonight. Tryna lay up in my bed, but you ain't my type. Need a player who gon' slide me, yeah, you don't seem like the type. Now you don't seem like the type. Need a player who gon' slide me, yeah, you don't seem like the type. She wanna spend the night, tryna hop up in my ride. I ain't got no time, I'ma leave you to the side. I'm racing in the drop top, that's why you can't see me. She wanna FaceTime, talking like come see me. Come and see me for once, come and see me for some ones. Back it down into the dive. Pretty girls, come have some fun. Sticking with the queens, we gon' turn it up. All the pretty girls, come have some fun. She wanna spend the night, but I ain't got no time. I told her once or twice, but she acting like she mine. Only got time for the money, not for the honey. Only got time for the money, I ain't dummy. Running game on me, oh I think you're funny. Running game on we, oh he think he funny. Run game on the queens, oh she think she funny. But who really get money, yeah, we really getting money, yeah. Touch a couple million, my lifespan, I need bands, don't need plans, cause I'm making money. Touch a couple million, my lifespan, I need bands, don't need plans, cause I'm making money, you ain't make no money. Oh, no. She wanna spend the night, tryna hop up in my ride. I ain't got no time, I'ma leave you to the side.
In the video though, I didn't talk about this lip, so I'm just gonna do that really quickly. I use the Tarteist lip paint in brown. It doesn't have a name. Oh, Wannabe. Tarteist lip paint in Wannabe as a lip liner because I don't have a brown lip liner. And then the Be a Bombshell lip gloss in Secret. This is one of my faves. And then I just did a little bit of my Moi Cosmetics glitter gloss in Unicorn right on top just to give it like a really glossy effect. So yeah, those are the lips, and then I'll link this video in the tutorial that I did this eye makeup look so that it all makes sense. Yes, so my camera's about to die and this video is at the end. Thank you guys so much for watching and subscribing and liking me in general, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!